What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei here to bring you episode 117 of the portfolio update. So hopefully you guys are doing awesome. I definitely am. Last week I didn't actually upload a portfolio update because I was actually on travel and I had little access to internet. So today we will be covering last week's update that we did miss, but we have quite a few things that I do want to go over. First thing is going to be how the portfolio is doing for the new year of 2022. As well, I do have a company in my portfolio that will be announcing a dividend increase either this week or next week, but it'll be definitely before the end of January. So I will be telling you guys what company that is in my portfolio. If you guys kind of already know what company that is, go ahead and drop your guesses and letting me know which company you think will be declaring a dividend increase, which is pretty awesome because that just continues to grow the snowball that we are continuing to grow. You guys see these quarterly dividends. We already wrapped up 2021 for all the dividends, and it is pretty awesome, guys. One quarter that we already made is $731 for the last quarter, so it's pretty awesome because that is passive income. We have to do absolutely nothing. The portfolio could be going up, it could be staying around the same prices, it could actually be going down like currently it is, but those dividends are going to continue pouring in no matter what the portfolio is doing. As well, we get a tax benefit, so that is pretty awesome. And the other thing I do want to go over in this update, I want to actually show you the new cool thing that I added to the dividend scripts, which is the yield on cost. Last time I did an update, M1 was having an issue, so we should hopefully see a higher dividend yield on cost. Hopefully, currently our yield on cost is 2.57% before all our purchases and our investments from the past 2 weeks. So it'll be exciting seeing how much this actually grew, because if we look at the holdings here, guys, last time we weren't seeing any of this information populate, but now it is showing up, so we should see all of this information get populated into the Google Sheet. So definitely be sure to stay tuned all the way to the end of the video, because we will see how much our dividend yield on cost will be. But let's go ahead and actually show you the portfolio. So as you guys know, the portfolio currently is at $207,461.39, and it's actually down, but overall return is about 90%, and cash balance right now is about $33.86. If we look at the value over time and we actually look around maybe the 1 month, you'll see that we were close to like $217,000, and we have actually been moving downwards. But in our portfolio, that doesn't really matter for us. This actually creates a great buying opportunity because all the dividends are going to continue pouring in, and they will get reinvested much cheaper. So we do love red days. So definitely that is one of the things that's awesome about dividend growth investing, is especially if the portfolio is in the red, because we get to buy more shares of these awesome companies for the long term. If it's obviously if it's over here higher, then we get to buy less. So red means awesome because it is a great discount. But overall, you guys, we will be recovering. This is kind of like a pattern that we see. We continue to see up, down, and eventually we continue to going upwards. But if we look at the overall year, you'll see that we are just continuing doing that pattern, but the trend is upwards and upwards. If we look at the overall time, we have been just going up, and you can see the 2020 crash here of March. It looks like a little dip, but overall we are seeing this portfolio grow and grow and grow. And as well, if we look and we find January 2021 around, let's say December 31st 2020, the portfolio was at 142,000, and now it is above 200,000, guys. That is pretty awesome, and just capital appreciation as well as dividends that we got poured in. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and actually jump into the activities. That way I can show you guys all the trades I did, anything that I bought, sold, any dividends that came in these past 2 weeks. So we are kind of behind, but if I start it from here, we will go ahead and do January 1st, 2022, and that should filter out everything. So we will start on the first page here, and so you'll see on the 3rd of January we actually did 2 buys and 1 sell, and I actually decided, guys, to go ahead and sell out of Clorox. So I went ahead and sold out completely out of Clorox. The reason is because I just find Target a much better long-term growth, dividend growth company for me, especially for the amount of years that I plan to be investing. And I just see a lot more upside in Target, especially right around the $220-ish. I will continue to build my position because it is trading right around the technical analysis that I did on the previous video and I showed you guys. But we also did, we bought some Bank of America, $6.30. This was the dividend we got paid. This was a drip. And just to show you guys all the shares we sold from Clorox, we reinvested them into Target, and we actually bought about 4.4 shares of Target. So we are building that position. And then if we look at January 5th, we did 1 buy and 1 sell, and I actually sold out of ONL, and I went ahead and reinvested that into Realty Income. So we will see how that one plays out. And then over here, guys, if we look at the very bottom, this is all M1 borrow stuff, but we deposited $120 into the portfolio. Remember, we continue to dollar cost average into the portfolio, $100 every single week, and then $20 per company that pays us a dividend that week. So we ended up going ahead and did 120. So we did 2 buys and 1 sell. So $100 worth of Target, and then $20 of Pepsi, because Pepsi did pay us a dividend. And then we went ahead and sold the rest of ONL, the 13 cents. All right, so Pepsi paid us $6.23. And then, guys, there was 3 referral signups, guys. Thank you so much for all the subscribers that signed up with my referral link. Referral link is in the video description. They actually, M1 extended it for some reason. It was supposed to end on the December, well, I guess the end of December, the last day to sign up. But they extended it all the way till the end of March. So if you are interested in signing up with M1, you can sign up. All you have to do is open an account, deposit $100, and you will get $50, and then I will get $50. Just be sure to use my referral link. That will mean a lot to me. And let me know if you guys ended up signing up, because that is 50% return on your investment right away. And that is $50. You could buy more of Lockheed Martin or Target or whatever company that you want to go ahead and buy for the long term. But we did get a dividend from Altria on the 10th, and that was $52.99, guys. That is pretty awesome, because this dividend basically means we can buy 1 full share of Altria again. So if we look on the 10th, we did 2 buys, and we went ahead and reinvested the dividend from Pepsi back into itself, and then we purchased $150 worth of Target. So that was pretty awesome. And then, guys, we went ahead on the 13th, we did 5 more buys, $180, and we bought American Towers, Realty Income, Leggett & Platt, Target, and then Altria, guys. That is pretty awesome. We continue to buy these and buy and buy. And one of the ones I'm kind of confused a little bit is I did not reinvest the dividend from Altria. Oh, here we go. I skipped it, guys. Sorry about that. So we did 1 buy. I want to show you here. So this reinvestment here was 1 full share, guys, of Altria. How cool is that? I want to eventually get to the point where each of my companies that I hold reinvest, and they basically buy 1 full share. So that will be a pretty cool goal to have. I think eventually we will get there, but right now we are just trying to get to the point where each time a company pays us out, it's at least $10 minimum or higher. We got all these dividends: American Towers, Leggett & Platt, and Realty Income. So we will be reinvesting these on Monday. Well, I guess Monday the stock market is closed, but we will reinvest these on Tuesday, and we will get some more dividends and create that dividend snowball much larger. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and filter out by dividends only. and you'll see all the dividends we got for the month of January so far. So you see all the dividends pouring in. No matter what the market is doing, the portfolio is actually down in the red, so that's actually really good because these dividends are going to get reinvested and buy more shares. So if I click on this calculate dividends, it's a green button. I do have a tutorial for this. It's completely free. All I ask is that you subscribe with that bell notification, and you drop a big thumbs up on the video. But anyways, you click on this will add up all the dividends for you and a little pop-up. So let's go ahead and click on it. And so far for the month of January, we have made $93.08, completely passive, guys. We had to do absolutely nothing. This was our portfolio going to work for us, and we didn't have to do anything, so that was pretty awesome. But yeah, guys, that is what we have for the update on my M1 account so far. If we look over here actually to the holdings, you'll see so far we have about unrealized gains almost 88,000. And then if we look on the companies that we are in the red, it's just Target, Lockheed Martin. We've actually started to move upwards a little bit. I will continue to buy a little bit more Lockheed Martin, but I really want to build out my Target. It's just so many great companies I want to buy more in so little money. But yeah, these are the two companies right now on my radar so far. And if we look at unrealized gains, Nvidia just has been outperforming all my picks. Microsoft, Apple, Skyworks, these have been the best picks so far. But anyways, guys, it is time to show you guys the company that will be declaring a dividend raise this coming month, and you know, for doing absolutely nothing. And it will grow that dividend snowball for us. If you guys have any other companies that are expected to declare a dividend raise this month of January, let me know in the comment section, and I will take a look. But this company is going to be Air Products and Chemicals, APD. So APD is trading about $291.35. If we look at the dividends and we look at the dividend summary, you'll see that the dividend yield is about 2.06%. They pay out about $6 for the year. Payout ratio is about 57%. 5-year CAGR is about 12%, almost 13%, and they have been paying about 39 years. And if we look at the dividend history, the reason why I think they will be declaring it, you will see here that on the first quarter, so this is around the time they declare the dividends, January 23rd, 2020 is when they raised the dividend to $1.34 from $1.16. If we look at this one, January 28th, 2021, they raised it to $1.50 from $1.34. So hopefully it will be this month that we do get a raise from APD, and that will grow that dividend snowball as well. If we look over here at my dividend payout, I will show you here. So we look at APD, you will see that I have it set for announced January, and they pay out around May. So that is pretty cool, guys, and that is why I think they will be declaring a dividend raise very soon. And what other companies do you guys think will be raising dividends this month? Let me know in the comment section. But anyways, while we are here, I will show you guys what we have so far. So far we have the dividend projected dividend yield, which currently shows up. The yield on cost is the one I really want to show you guys. I think hopefully it goes up higher, because the higher the better. But for yearly so far, we've made about 3,000, and projected, I already went ahead and have a copy of this, so this has not changed. Well, I guess it has changed a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this for us. There we go. And we are ready to see what the difference will be whenever we kick off these scripts. But first thing we will be doing, guys, I will be going over here to dividend payout. We'll go ahead and see if any new companies declare dividends. So we're about 46. We'll go over here, portfolio tools, get latest dividends. This will take a second or two. I do have tutorials for all this stuff. It's completely free. Again, all I ask is that you subscribe with that bell notification, and you drop a big thumbs up on my videos just to help out the channel. And yeah, So far we are waiting, and it looks like there was quite a bit of companies that declared dividends this coming up. So right now we will be going ahead and finishing JP Morgan on the 31st of January when they pay out, and that will actually wrap up the month of January. And Clorox, I gotta actually remove that so it doesn't show up anymore, because we did completely sell out of Clorox. But then we will be starting strong with APD with a payout on the 14th of February, so Valentine's Day. And then we will get a couple payments, and then we will start the third month. And you guys already know the third month is the best month for this portfolio. It is just a cash flow machine on the third month, so that is pretty cool. But anyways, let's go ahead and actually go over here to settings, guys, and we will go ahead and delete this, and we will get the latest holdings of our portfolio from Personal Capital. So let's go ahead and jump over there, and you'll see this green button here. I'm in the M1 account under Personal Capital. Click on it. That goes ahead and gets a copy of my portfolio into the clipboard, and we can jump back over, right click, paste, values only. And again, all these new informations with the yield on cost and stuff, hopefully I will be making a video this week now that I am back in town. And if we look over here to holdings, you will see that none of this information populates, but after we kick this off, it should populate, because my M1 account actually has this information this time. So update portfolio holdings, this will get wiped, recalculate it. We jump over here, guys, and now we just wait a little bit and see it calculated. So you see the yield on cost is calculated, and it looks like it's the same, so it hasn't increased. It just stayed around the same, but you'll see the dividend yield is at 1.47%, which is a good thing. And then compared to 1.42%, yield on cost stayed around the same. And then yearly we went up about $10, almost $11 to $3,060.40. Monthly we are making about $255, weekly $58, daily we went up about 2 pennies, and then hourly we stayed up at 35 cents per hour. And then hourly work wage we're making about $1.47. This was if our portfolio was to go work a 40-hour work week, the portfolio would get paid at an hourly rate of $1.47, which is pretty awesome. We're gonna try to get this to minimum wage eventually. And you know, that is actually all I have for you guys in this update. If you stuck all the way to their end, be sure that you're subscribed with the bell notification. And again, go ahead and drop a big thumbs up to the video. And again, let me know that you stuck all the way to the end by dropping a hashtag raises, because we are expecting some dividend raises this month, so it'll be pretty exciting, guys. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next update. Take care, stay safe out there. Bye, guys.